All right, welcome back to the bench. It's been a while since we've done a current rig config for the Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive brushed that I picked up, used on OfferUp. What is this? What's in the box? We're going to find out here in a second when we unbox this bad boy. Got this, was on the porch this morning, straight from the folks at SHREDDY. Shout out to SHREDDY Life there. Blake Wilkie doing awesome things. This came, ironically, I ordered it on the internet, and it got shipped to my house when I live one city away. You know, came from like the very next zip code over. But let's crack this open here. Totally unprepared. I don't have in my hands at the ready. Here it is. Now we're shred ready. All right, the cutter of things, made from things. Being careful. Cut away from yourself. Safety first and always. Wise words from Mr. Wilkie himself. Safety never takes a vacation, right? Got that open there. Carefully cutting. I like to go diagonally across the longer cut here. Once the very dull cutter of things gets through it. That's not working at all. This is going horribly. Could be worse. That's the thing about these unboxing videos. You kind of got like one shot to get it right. Let me know in the comments if you feel, whoa, well, look at that. What is that? So, I mean, kind of spoilery. I kind of like told you what it is without telling you what it is, right? When I said it was from SHREDDY and we were talking about the Slash. Whoa, look at that. Man, finally got it. The whole reason I got a Traxxas Slash was because I knew this bad boy was coming. The MEGALODON. Heck yeah. Scariest shark to ever exist. Except for, I don't know, there might be a scarier one, but we'll let Mr. Wilkie introduce that one. Maybe that'll get an RC body too. That'd be cool. Yeah. But yeah, here it is. That's the body in black. That's their new tough body material from Proline. I mean, it's not armored or anything, but it's molded in black instead of clear. That way, if you skid on your lid, it's not gonna scratch all the way through and make nasty marks on the paint. Because I mean, you scratch off the black and it's just more black, blackity black, 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 black MEGALODON. So this is his current livery, if you will, the current wrap that's on the MEGALODON over there at SHREDDY. Very much the local heroes. So check it out. I ordered this from SHREDDY, right? Because the day the body went live on Proline, they did the whole reveal on Proline's website, on their their YouTube. They went live and premiered the trailer, and sales went up very shortly after. I had it up while I was watching the video debut, and I was like, hey, what gives? When can we order this thing? They actually answered me. They were like, look on our website. I was like, oh, wow, I just had to refresh, and there it is for sale. So, like a dummy, I waited, and the next day it was completely sold out on Proline's website. I'm like, wow, that was a noob move right there. So I was like, well, let me check the SHREDDY website, and sure enough, nice little, secret local spot, right? Order straight from SHREDDY. And what'd they do? They threw in more sticker sheets. Shout out to SHREDDY, supporting the local shredder. All right. Yeah, there it is. Yes. Support your local shredder indeed. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Really cool shop. If you're ever in the neighborhood of El Cajon, Santee, it's right over there at the 67 junction over there off Magnolia. Go check them out. SHREDDY Life. There you go, guys. Free plug. Awesome. Thanks for the extra gear. Pretty nice. Extra swag. That's it. Empty box. One MEGALODON. And some free swag in the form of stickers. Love their stickers. I don't know if you can tell I love their stickers, but man, I love their stickers. Great stuff. And this is the V2 slap sticker sheet. I have the V1 somewhere. I didn't even use all of them yet, but man, they're great. Slap them on your ice box, your toolbox. Slap them on your truck. Slap them on your dog. Nah, that's probably not a good idea. Just kidding. Especially if you're not a dog person, you could slap them on your cat. Okay, I'll stop with the animal sticker thing. Slap them on your fridge. Or you can slap them on your Megalodon body. Ooh. Yeah, that's cool. We're going to have to do some cutting. Look at the detail on the engine. That nice, what is it, LS6, 7 that he's running? Which is the supercharged one? I'm a Chevy guy, I should know this stuff. My knowledge stops after LS3. I'm not into these fancy blower things. It's got decals. Why don't I show you the decals? Let's do that. Unboxing. Man, Shreddy life. You guys need to get on this unboxing your Megalodon RC body thing, man. Show how it can be done professionally. I'm just the amateur down the street in his garage, man. Comes with the nice decals with the current wrap that's on the Megalodon right now. They do also offer, I want to throw this out there also, you can get it in clear. I think that one's sold out on Proline as well, and I did not see a clear option on the SHREDDY Life website. You might have to wait for, they're probably going to do another run. As quick as they sold out, they probably realized they're sitting on a gold mine. But you can get it in clear and paint it however you want, because there's been like 3 or 4 different wraps on the Megalodon now. Started off kind of like a turquoise, well, it started out like this guy, I don't know if you can see it there. It started out like this guy, it started out like a nice kind of turquoise teal color. And then it went to like the striped teal, pink, and black stripes with the HP tuners on the side. And now it's got the kind of the Shreddy Galaxy theme. Let's crack these open. Let's get the stickers out. Ooh, kind of a little Proline. Oh, and the cool thing too is they actually included hardware for the, because you get a bolt-on fenders and the shark fins back here. So, very cool, Proline. Thanks for the nice inclusion of that hardware, because, you know, I probably have a ton of hardware sitting around where I could get my own, but very nice. Well, Proline Racing, to bring you the best. Nice little catalog of their current offerings, all their tires. These guys are the tire gurus, man. Their tires are awesome. I've got on my Slash right now, I actually just put a fresh set of Proline short course tires on my Slash. More hardware, cool. Cool. Back in the box down here. Alright, so decals, what do we got? We got the Heatwave logo there. I think that goes on the roof. We got the windows, the side windows. Looks like a blank. So oh, cool. They have a sticker. Decal guide, wrap and trimming instructions. Very cool. I actually know a guy. I don't know if I might employ him to do this. I could probably take care of it myself, but what the hey. Shout out to Low Dollar Decals. If I wasn't confident enough to do this myself, I'd probably hit up my boy over there, Jay. Very cool dude. Another local guy around here doing the vinyl things and stuff. Very cool. So, but I think I can knock this out myself. So we got some more decals there. There it is. There's Mr. Wilkie himself. It says optional there. There he is. Throwing up the chaka. Yep. There's Fred. Fred there. Got the chaka bones there. So this is kind of cool. It's you can put the decal over the supercharger on the blower on the engine. But I'm probably just gonna end up painting it. I've got like a gold paint marker. We'll see. I don't know. It's not like a Lex. I don't know if it's a Lexan friendly paint. Here we go. One of these guys, enamel paint. I don't know if that's wise to put. Maybe I'll test that on a piece of scrap Lexan and see if it, make sure it doesn't melt it or something. Anyway, I'm gonna try and well, first of all, get through these decals and then I'll elaborate on my plans. So there's more decals there. It's like the oil catch can, I think, air filter coupler, gas fill. Pretty cool. Pretty detailed. They got this, that's like his chase bar on the back for the lights. I'm probably going to end up getting an actual chase light bar. Because I'm gonna go nuts on this thing with the details. He's got a chase light bar that's going to go right here on top of the fans. I'm going to put a chase light bar there. I've got a couple ideas. I'm already looking at a couple of companies that offer various lights, that, you know, for scale details, that sort of thing. And then of course he's going to have the front light bar here. I might have to make a custom bash bumper for the front because the Traxxas one looks ridiculously not scale. So I'm going to make another one. I'm going to have another little, probably a 2 or 3 inch light bar in the front. I might even have to make one. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, buggy whips. I'm going to put some buggy whips on there, maybe with some flags. Shout out to Buggy Whips. Awesome. And yeah, we're gonna detail this thing out. I might even cut out the windows and put a full interior. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe. TBD, right? To be determined. I don't know if I'm going to go that far. I do want to mention that if you want to put it on your Slash, got to pick yourself up a set of the Proline body mounts. Part number 6070-00. You're going to need these body mounts to put it on your Slash. I don't think the stock ones will reach. And that's recommended right on their website for this body anyways. So yeah, man, we got all the decals here. So you got options. You can put like a blank cockpit decal on the windshield, or you know, you can have the optional where is it? So there's, yeah, Fred and Blake there, you can throw in there. Pretty cool. Awesome. Awesome stuff. Yeah, so that's it. Next time you guys see the Slash, I'll have the vinyl wrap on there, and I'll have it mounted on the Slash, and we'll go do some shredding. Heck yeah. Alright. Take it easy, guys, and shred till you're dead.